If you want to use WebWork AI, you can do that by going down to WebWork AI. And from here, you'll be able to see the AI chat. WebWork AI has many different functionalities. For example, it can analyze performance of each team member, suggest solutions and personalized strategies, detect events and send you analysis emails, create projects, tasks, and stand-ups, and so on. You can view the full list of functionalities in the Help Center. Let's look at a couple of examples. So let's say I want to get an analysis of a specific member's activity. Here's an example. Can you please give me an analysis of this member's productivity and activity levels for last week? As you can see, it has created a report for the productivity and activity levels. Here you can see all the details, their attendance, the daily activity breakdown, engagement metrics, the applications used, as well as any insights. At the very end, it will also give any recommendations. Now let's look at a different example. Here's a different example. Can you create a project named Test2 and assign it to this member, as well as put a deadline on the 30th of July? As we can see, the project has been successfully created. We can see the name, the start date, deadline, and the assigned member. Now, if you want to view the project, you can simply click on the name of it. Another way you can talk to the AI is by going down to Communication, then go to Chat. From here in Direct Messages, you can see WebWork AI. If you click on it, you can actually interact with the AI from here. Another thing you can do is actually mention the AI in the chat. So for example, I can go ahead and mention WebWork AI, and from here I can actually write the prompt. This way, the other person can also view the AI's response. Now, if you want to set up the WebWork AI to send you automated emails with workspace data analysis, and when certain events are triggered, you can do that by going to the settings, then go down to WebWork AI, and then from here we can go to events. Then from here you can choose what events will trigger the AI to send you reports. So for example, project time and budget overrun, and task time and budget overrun. So whenever the time or budget exceeds the expected amount, a report will be sent. Then if we go to periodic reviews, here you can set the frequency and choose the metrics that the AI will analyze and send to you via email. So from here you can choose the frequency, so either daily or weekly, as well as the time it will be sent. Then down here you can choose what metrics will be included. So for example, most tracked time, used non-productive apps, highest activity, lowest activity, missed deadlines, and late arrivals. Then we have chat automations. So from here you'll be able to turn on birthday messages, so for example what channel it will be sent to, as well as the time. These messages will be sent into either Slack if the integration is enabled, or the WebWork chat. And down here we have reports. Here you can choose for the AI to send you weekly reports and daily reports. These reports will also be sent into Slack or WebWork chat. Again, you can choose the channel and the time. Now if you want to edit who has access to the WebWork AI, you can do that by going to the permission settings, and then from here you can select who has access to WebWork AI. So for example, executive manager, team manager, project manager, or the regular user.